Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm talking about FHA loans, the pros and the cons, and we're going to talk about why they're so popular amongst first-time home buyers. If that sounds like something you're interested in, tune in. Hey everybody, so today we're talking about FHA loans. And yeah, let's just dive right in. So what is an FHA loan? An FHA loan is also called a Federal Housing Administration loan. And what it is a loan that is insured by the Federal Housing Administration. And these types of loans are available through various FHA approved lenders. So, I mean, you can qualify, or you can get qualified or find an FHA loan at probably your average bank or wherever you would go to, a mortgage broker, wherever you want to go to apply for a loan, a mortgage loan. And so FHA loans are a great loan for first-time home buyers just because they're one of the easier loans to qualify for. So the minimum credit score for an FHA loan is 500. So if your credit score is between 500 and 579, your down payment requirement is 10%. But if your credit score is 580 or above, your down payment is 3.5%. Yes, 3.5%. So I live in Southern California. Houses are expensive, but I love it here. Wouldn't change it for the world. Maybe the cost of living, but aside from that, I live in Southern California. The average house is gonna be around, probably plus, but around 600K. So let's say you're trying to buy a house at 600K. That means your down payment would be like 21K. Yeah. That's like that price of a car, the cost of a car, you know? So you could just save up a little bit instead of buying that car, you know, get that bucket and get you a house instead. Sounds like a good plan to me. But yeah, so that's one of the reasons that an FHA loan is popular, just because of its minimum credit score and low down payment requirement. Also, let's say you don't have you don't have enough money to pay the full down payment. With an FHA loan, you are allowed to get a gift. So let's say one of your family members wants to help you out with that down payment. You can receive money as a gift for your down payment, and that will be okay with the lender. Not all loans are like that. So for, let's say your parents are helping you out, this is a great loan for you because your parents can help you out with that down payment, and it's just great. It's a great benefit. Another thing is, with the FHA loan, the lender is restricted to how much they can charge in closing costs. Closing costs are what the lender charges you basically to process your loan. A lot of people don't know about closing costs, but closing costs can be kind of hefty. With an FHA loan, it's going to be anywhere from 3 to 5%. That varies from state to state. But yeah, it's typically going to be between like 3 to 5% of the purchase price or your loan amount. So yeah, keep that in mind. So not only do you want to save for your down payment, but you want to save for the closing costs too, because that can be kind of hefty. So the cons. One of the cons to the FHA loan is the greatest con to the FHA loan is the mortgage insurance. So typically how it would work with most loans is, if you're paying a down payment, if you're putting down less than 20%, you're paying mortgage insurance until you reach that 20% mark. With the FHA loan, that's not the case. You're paying your annual mortgage insurance pretty much the life of the loan until you pay your money back. And then on top of that, you have your upfront mortgage insurance that you would pay pretty much at the close of escrow. But if you don't pay it if you don't have enough to pay it up front, they can roll that into, you know, the loan itself, and then you just pay it off as you pay off your loan. But yeah, instead of paying mortgage insurance until you reach that 20% mark, you're pretty much paying it for the life of the loan. So that is one of the cons to the FHA loan. But aside from that, most people like the FHA loan just because of its low credit score and down payment qualification requirement, which makes it great for first-time home buyers. And they can also get their down payment gifted from either a friend, family member, or a grant or something like that, and that's also acceptable in the eyes of the lenders too. So yeah, that's FHA loans for you. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I hope you guys found some value in the nuggets that I gave you today on the FHA loan. Please comment, subscribe, like below. I'd love feedback, what you like, what you didn't like. I'll take all of it. And yeah, you guys, till next time, love you.